Good evening. I'm Nathan Allen with YorkLink, part of York Region's economic development team. Web Summit's final day wrapped up today, but we're not done. We are at a reception in The Hood, which is a co-location space here in Lisbon, and we've got Markham-Based BLUMEx with me. I've got Ravi Ravindran, the CEO of the company, with me. Tell me a little bit, what does BLUMEx do, and how did you find your experience here at Web Summit?
Yeah, we're a PR management platform for founders. So we partner with incubators all across Canada, and we help their founders who graduate from the top programs and obtaining media. And we're here just to expand the network. Met some wonderful network partners here, but better yet, we're catching up with Canadians from back home here. It's a different experience.
And did you guys attend Collision back in June?
Every year. Oh, it's phenomenal.
And did you notice a big difference between Collision and Web Summit?
Collision just had that Toronto culture, so actually I feel like we brought some of that here with us here today. Web Summit is great, it's double the size, a lot of bigger venues, but I feel like the Toronto spirit was lacking.
Excellent. And now if people are interested in learning a little bit more about BLUMEx, where should they go?
Best is the website, BLUMEx.io. Again, that's where all our content lives, and I look forward to our new platform launching in January.
Excellent. And now, I know you mentioned we were part of the Pan-Canadian delegation. What do you see the value in Canadians coming together at a major international tech show like this?
Honestly, one of the feedbacks I've had is that it's so great to work with Canadians outside of Canada. When you're in Canada, you're just one of the people, but here it's like, oh, you're a friend, right? So just that collision at different booths, different places, meeting up with the fellow people that you've Zoom called with, but in person at a conference, that was really priceless.
Excellent. Well, Ravi, thank you very much for joining us, and all the best with BLUMEx moving forward.
Thank you.